Hey guys, it's Jay Ketsu, Dropship Legacy. Today we're going to go over our shipping settings for our store. So, as you can see in this dashboard, it's the older version of Shopify, but the exact same process for shipping. You want to go over this and make sure there's no carrier calculated rates. As you can see, I just deleted that. We want to go ahead and save the changes. Go back to shipping, and then we're going to add weight-based rates. So the first item we're going to add is free shipping. So by default, when we import products into our store, they're all going to be £0. So any item that's £0 will always qualify for free shipping. Now we're going to add a rate for the free just pay shipping items. So items that we actually list as quote unquote free and then charge shipping to make our profits. Now, I don't use this method exclusively, it's just for like email marketing and again side profits. So we're going to set it at 0.1 and the rate amount at $9.95 for just one item. So let's say we have a free item and then we make our profit again off the shipping price here. So now I'm going to add my second free item shipping rate. We're going to do 2 free item shipping, and then we're going to set it at 0.2 and 0.2. And then we're going to set the rate amount to double what we just had, just to make sure we're continuing to profit. Then I'm going to add my third one. Same process goes here, guys. We're going to 3 free item shipping, 0.3, 0.3, and so on. And then we can just keep on going. So I'm going to do this all the way up to 10 at least. I actually recommend up to 20 just because I've had customers actually purchase 20 free items and paid the whole shipping cost. I love you Australians, because Australians are okay with paying higher shipping costs, unlike many Americans who are spoiled. So besides domestic, we also have to do international, of course. So again, there's the carrier calculated rates here. Delete that right away. Click save if you need to. And then add weight-based rates here. And then we're going to repeat the exact same process that we did for domestic shipping, except for international. So free shipping, we're going to set at 0.0 and 0.0 and add the free shipping weight. Good. Then we're going to add the weight-based ones. So 1 free item shipping. Again, we're doing this for our free just pay shipping items where we profit off the shipping cost from customers. So 0.1, $9.95. And if you guys are using a different unit of weight, such as grams or kilograms, make sure that's completely uniform throughout your whole entire store. So only stick with 1 unit of weight, whether it be pounds or grams, whatever you choose. Keep it consistent. Otherwise, you're going to have a bad time. So make sure you get it done right the first time. I'm just going to keep adding them all the way down the line. Make sure you save your settings. Here's how it should look. Then there's one more thing that we actually need to address called the sample box. We need to set it for 0.0, otherwise it will actually calculate into the rate. Go ahead and click save. Great. Let's go down. As you can see, there's some other options that you can play with, like dropshipping fulfillment services, but we won't need that. I'll see you guys in the next lesson for taxes. Peace.